Alright, we're gonna start a project. So this is it. I have to take off this warped panel. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all like wavy. All down here. Let's move the camera. Let's make it do something. Okay, so this isn't even half as bad as it really looks in person. This is all like crazy pancake going on, okay? This is what's going on. And as to what I'm wearing, well, I was doing yard work and I just got done with dishes. As to why there's water on the front of me. But whatever, you know, this is life. This is in reality, Hannah D right now. Okay, so only tools I got is a hammer and guess you'd call these pliers? No, these aren't pliers. I don't know what these are. They are gonna help me out in some way. So I guess you just try to take off as many nails as you can, and wherever you can find them. I don't know. I found one though, but it's way in there, and it can't really get it out. Let's switch it up with this guy. No. Let's take off the side thing. It's already halfway out anyway. Ah, spider! Ooh. Okay, so that was a big black spider, but not super big. It's not dangerous. It's just a house spider. I'm not scared. I'm not scared of nothing. So we got this out. Watch out. There are pokey nails on this stuff. You should probably be wearing shoes if you do this. Me, you can't see my feet. So, okay. I found another nail. Took it out. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm simply trying to do this, and I don't know where I'm even going to begin, honestly. Can I just tear it all apart? Can I just hammer this in here and tear it up? Ha ha! Should I be cautious about what's underneath here? Maybe. Do I care? No! This stuff has gotta go! Ha ha! This is actually very satisfying. I've actually held off doing this for the last couple weeks because I thought it wouldn't be fun. Well, guess who was wrong? Me. But how am I would rather not do it in pieces, but rather the whole thing all at once. So let's just keep trying to peel her off here. Can you see? No, you can't even see me anymore. Alright, I'm going to stand up and do this. Woo! Nice. Okay. Alright. Okay, so there's drywall underneath here. That's good. I may have chipped it a little bit, but it's fine. Okay? So this is cool. I was kind of thinking it may have been worse under here, but it's not. Let's just keep taking this stuff off. Haha! We're doing stuff! Oh, I better not step on this. So, yeah, this is happening. Oh, let's do it the way we did it before. How do we do it? Like this, yes. Oh, wow, did you just see that? Did you see that? I was seriously not using the right side of the hammer. Oh my gosh, that is a moment in comedy history. Okay, that was hilarious. Someone replay. What is life if you can't laugh? Woo! Let's go! So, the purpose of me doing all of this, hello, is because I want to make a dance room. That's right, I want to make a freaking dance room. Let me show you. So I'm going to tear off this wall. Okay, that's the warped one. All the other ones, all the other panels are pretty fine. So this wall, I don't know, I might take the paneling off of there too and just make both panelings match. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. But this wall, and maybe a portion of this back wall here, sorry if I made you dizzy, is going to have mirrors stuck all over it. which I already got the mirrors. Don't mind me, they're just really dirty already. Mirrors. Check this out. Yeah, you can see behind you now. So yeah, I got like, I don't know how many of these, around 30 of them. And they're just gonna go up and stick up on the wall. But I have to take down the bad paneling, put up new paneling, or just, I don't know, can you do another layer of drywall? I'm not sure. I'll figure it out. But yes, first things first, taking this off and then making it a freaking dance room. So I'm gonna stop recording this right now and finish ripping all of this off. Okay, so I already started pretty, oh gosh, let me turn off the AC. Okay, AC off. I started putting up mirrors. I was gonna start showing you guys, like, putting them on. And I kind of got ahead of myself and forgot that I wasn't recording. Anyways, so I ended up taking off the paneling. I was going to be neat and tidy and fancy pants and put up new paneling or something more sophisticated, but I simply don't have the patience nor the time or the money right now. So we're putting the mirrors up no matter what. My housewarming is only in about 4 weeks, so I just want them at least to see what I have envisioned. I'll be like, listen, I'm having a dance room in here. Granted, I know the backside looks a little trashy, but that's gonna be fixed down the road. But you have an idea, you know, like this is gonna be my dance room. Mirrors on wall, dance. I'm hoping a couple young kids come. I have second nieces and nephews that are absolutely adorable, and I want them to dance in this room, okay? That's really what it's for. This is for the kids. But anyways, so it came with sticky stuff. Let me explain that. So it gave me a little palette of sticky thingies. So it's got portions you can peel off on both sides. You take one, you peel off one side, you stick it on there, you peel off the other side, now it's sticky to go on the wall. Makes sense? Okay. Hope you guys know I'm not really that big into describing what I am doing most of the time because, I mean, I personally think it's common sense. You undo the package, you find out what's in there, and it said to hold it for 3 minutes, you guys. 3 minutes. Have I been actually doing this for 3 minutes? No. I kind of just been giving them a good 30 seconds. You know, definitely gonna have to clean them. So I did actually use my level for the first time in my life, with the first level I've ever bought for myself in my life. I feel like this one might fall off because you see this, I want to say trashy again, this zigzagness. They used glue. They used glue to glue on the panels and hammer in the panel that was here. And you know what? I think that's just a little overdoing it. And it made it a pain in the butt getting all the paneling off, like I'm not even joking. Now let me show you the garbage full of the paneling. So it came off in big pieces, rarely, mostly all small pieces. So I've been working on that for a while. And once I got that all off, well, I needed to do something like put mirrors up. So check it. Okay, I'm done. Yeah. So, my level. All I started with before I started putting these mirrors up is, well, level out the line and draw out a line of what's straight. Have I already kind of gone off that line? Yes. But these are going to come off again anyways once I do put on the wall, whatever I'm going to put on the wall to make it look better. But for now, this is what we're doing. We're doing it trashy, and I don't care. Because I'll still be able to dance in front of a mirror, and that's all I want. So, alright, so that's what I'm doing. That's the progress here, and it's been like 3 weeks or more since I first started taking the paneling off because, well, life. I can only... I can't even begin to tell you everything that's happened in the last couple weeks, but someday. Anyways, let's see what it looks like when I'm completely done putting them all up, and maybe I'll dance. I'm having a great time, you guys. So it has literally been maybe almost a year, basically almost a year, come like 4 more months since I started this project. I have officially put up all the mirrors. Do they look fantastic? Are they perfectly leveled? No. It is kind of like a crazy maze house thing, like where all the mirrors are all over the place and make it look really weird. But I don't care because it's still amazing. So this is what I've got on this wall. I got my ribbons over there, my dancing ribbons, and then this is what I got on this wall. I have no complaints. I didn't expect perfection because life ain't perfect. So this is what we got, and this is technically my workout room and my dance room, and I love it. I love it. It's great. It's got some wonky mirrors. I am living my best life. So that's what I did today while not knowing what to do with my life and, you know, how I'm gonna pay all my bills, not having a job and all, but it's good. I've got a dance room. I can dance away all of my fear and worries for, what else do I need? There's nothing else I need right now. So as a little celebratory, yes, that's a word, I'm just going to dance. But first I'm going to get a dance outfit on, okay? So we're going to do this official. So give me a moment while I pick a song, and it will probably have to be sped up into that squeaky, higher pitched voice type thing so that YouTube doesn't like ding me for, you know, copyright things and playing other people's music. So I hope it's entertaining.